6 years ago, I made my first pencil, and it was a doozy. It was a really ambitious thing to build to kick off what was then my brand new pencil making sled. This was not an easy pencil to make. Because of the orientation of the grain of all the individual pencils, it was really weak, and I spent 45 minutes trying to plane it without breaking it, and failed. It broke in half and I had to glue it back together. It was not easy, but a pencil made of pencils, you gotta admit that's pretty cool. Anyway, the time has come for me to make my last pencil. And I thought about doing something really crazy, but had to admit that I didn't have it in me to top that first crazy pencil. So I went the other direction. Ultra simple. The wood I'm using is Aspen. I actually think it's a great wood to make a pencil, especially your first pencil. So as I'm clearing out the last of my pencil making stock with these mega kits that I'm selling, I thought that I would include a block of Aspen for customers purchasing it so they could start out with a really good, easy wood to make their first pencil. The sled itself is also a bit better than the one that I sold at launch. One of the rails can travel and lock in to fit snug with your plane, and both of the rails are ultra low friction, so it's really easy to use. And as you can see, the Aspen plane's way easier than the epoxy mess you saw at the beginning. And the best part of using a wood that is as soft as Aspen is that it works in standard pencil sharpeners, which is not the case for most of the pencils that I've made. They're primarily hardwoods, so I have to sharpen them with a knife or even a sander. Each one of these is a pencil making mega kit ready to head out the door when the UPS truck gets here. They've sold extremely well. At the time of posting this video, I only have 8 of them left. If you buy one of those last 8, link in description, you will get over 10,000 pieces of pencil lead, a bunch of other goodies that you can see in the listing, and like I mentioned, that exactly sized Aspen block so that you can slice out a bunch of pencil blanks and use what I think is really an excellent wood for pencils. And since I'm more on top of shipping than I ever have been any other Black Friday sale period, I can guarantee you'll have it in your hands in time to make some holiday pencil gifts. Speaking of Black Friday, right now all Black Friday sales are active on my website. I'm not going to talk about all of them, but if you search around the website, you'll find all those discounts. You can build a shopping cart and take advantage of all those together. I'm not going to be combining orders later. If you buy once and then want to buy again and want to combine shipping, it's just a nightmare logistically. So please make sure you found all the sales before you make your purchase to get the best deal on shipping. I'm going to mention 2. One is the pre-sale on the tail vise inserts. That pre-sale is going to end because they're all in stock. Check this out. I'm still in the storage room, but I'll be out soon. There are the tail vise inserts ready to ship, and I have a package deal that includes a 24-inch twin turbo vise, a swivel mount, and a bunch of other extras like bench dogs and cork rubber. It's a really deeply discounted package. I only have maybe 10 or 12 of those left, very few. They'll go fast, and once those are gone, for reasons that I'm not going to get into, it'll be a long time, or a fair amount of time, before you can get a twin turbo vise again. So check that out. There's links to those 3 that I mentioned, the pencil mega kit, the tail vise pre-sale, last chance to get those pre-sale prices, and the big package with the twin turbo vise. All that's in the description. There's more on the website if you want to hunt around. Thanks for watching. I have lots more packing to do. I'm going to get to that.